We are drafting a fitted sheet, pillowcases and a duvet cover for a double bed. We are actually drafting it to fit the mattress because all the sheets, whichever sheet you actually put on the bed that you buy, just pops right off. I don't know if it's inconsistent sizing or what, but just it's so aggravating, you know, in the middle of the night when the sheet pulls off the bed. And my parrot is helping me sew it. You've cut a square out of the sheet, and now you're going to place the right sides together, and you're going to sew this edge to that edge by placing it over the edge and sewing it right sides together. Right sides. Once you've done all 4 seams and you've overlocked them nicely and sewn them together with a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance, you're going to mark off a point on each side of that seam of 50 centimeters. Mark it with tailor's chalk, and we're going to attach elastic to that section, and we're going to hem the bottom of the entire sheet. The elastic must be at full, it must be absolutely taut, it must be to the maximum stretch that it can be, and use a nice firm elastic, which really will help the sheet stay on the bed. So there we've attached the elastic at maximum stretch to the hem edge of the sheet, and it's 50 centimeters on either side of each of those seams, and then you just carry on and hem the entire bottom of the actual sheet. And now we're going to actually do the hem. Once the hem is finished, that is what it's going to look like, and it simply now needs to be de-threaded and pressed, and hopefully give a much more comfortable good night's sleep.